Welcome back to the Wicked Gamer Collector YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to test out some Game Boy Advance on the PopCar 2. Doesn't sound very promising. But yeah, let's test out some games. Alright, let's test out Crash Bandicoot. But it's weird that the game is not running perfectly. And the reason why I'm saying this game most of the time runs just fine on systems. Alright. We've got some problems with the title screen, but overall not bad at all. Ooh, little stuttering. The sound is off. Oh. Oh, that was really bad. Come on! Oh, this game has so many problems. Alright, let's crank up the volume. Here it comes, here it comes! Oh yeah, the sound is still. This one's horrible. Is the frame rate going to be better? The sound! Oh wait! Oh man, it's horrible. No, this is not the frame rate we want to see with a GBA game. It's playable, but still. Wow. So for the final conclusion, I can play, let's say 10 games, 20 or 30 games. It's all going to be the same result. It's really sloppy frame rate, it's not great. The sound is freaking horrible. So, man, that sound. So, in overall, the Game Boy Advance is not that great on the PopCar 2 family portable system. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye.